At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A massage intake form is used by massage therapists to gather important information about new clients, such as their medical history and treatment goals. This helps therapists understand the client's health and provide safe, personalized care. To help ensure that the intake process is as seamless as possible, we've designed an intuitive and comprehensive form for your massage therapy practice. You can distribute these forms to new patients before their first session. The necessary medical information collected can then be stored in a secure and accessible way to ensure that therapists effectively use it to deliver the best quality of care possible. It is very simple to use our intake form within your massage therapy business to provide potential clients with the information they need. Follow these steps to maximize the use of the massage intake form template. Step 1. Download the template. Download a blank form or example in Carepatron's Guides library. You can edit it online or save it to your computer for later. Step 2. Distribute to patients. Share the form with new clients before their first session, either by email or in person. Step 3. Store the form. Once filled out, upload the forms to your system. This helps the therapist prepare and make informed care decisions. Massage therapists, especially those who treat multiple patients, often lead hectic lives. For a tool to be effective in their professional work, it needs to have multiple daily uses, which our intake form does. Keeps you organized. All client info is collected in one place, either digitally or printed. Improves accuracy. The form includes all key questions, so you get complete and correct information. Saves time. Last but not least, our intake form template will save you time. You no longer have to worry about formatting these forms or conducting lengthy intake interviews, as the template already does this for you. Remember to emphasize to your clients the importance of letting you know changes in their details to ensure efficient communication. You can learn more about topics like massage intake forms in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.